You came just right in time. I'm dusting these peonies, and later on, we'll be making a lot of edible flowers as you see here on our cake. By the way, I'm Mark Kevin Reyes. I'm a sugar flower specialist and innovator. Come on, join me as we make these gorgeous edible flowers today. In this class, you will learn how to make 3 different kinds of flower paste, the Gluma paste, the Flexi Bendy, and my quick dry gum paste. For Gluma paste, you will learn how to make sunflowers, snowberries, eucalyptus leaves, ornamental leaves, and David Austin roses. And for the quick dry gum paste, you will learn how to make different kinds of peony buds, stargazer lilies, cosmos flowers in 2 forms, Christmas ornamental berries, and cherries. And with Flexi Bendy, you will learn how to make cherry blossoms, jasmine, and anemone flowers. So stay tuned right there and let's get started!